is Unit 4, Week 1, question number 2. What was the Missouri Compromise? The Missouri Compromise was made in 1820. It was an attempt to decide forevermore where there would be slavery and where there would not be in the territories. It turned out in Congress, just by kind of accident, chance, the number of states in the United States that were slave states and the number that were free were even. So even though in the House of Representatives the population of the North was larger, in the Senate there was an equal number of slave and free, which meant the Senate will never vote to abolish slavery because half of the member states would never go for that. So the policy was kind of put in place. How do we accommodate and account for this and keep problem of slavery from erupting? Every time a new state would join, it was a conflict. Well, the other thing was the United States doubled in size in 1803 with the Louisiana Purchase. Prior to that, all the states south of the Ohio River and the south, it was kind of obvious, would probably be slave states. But what about all this territory across the Mississippi? Well, okay, Louisiana, way down south, certainly going to end up slave, not an issue. But what about a little bit further up? So in 1820, they made a deal. The line 3630, line of latitude, would divide the the Louisiana Purchase in half. All territories south of that line would be slave states. All territories north of that line would be future free states, except for Missouri, which was north of the line but would be a slave state. In terms of territory, it looked like the North got more, but there weren't many people living up there. This was supposed to solve the problem once and for all. Slavery wouldn't be an issue in the United States. All future territory would be aligned according to this. It didn't last very long before this problem kept rearing its ugly head. But that's the Missouri Compromise from some guy in an Aloha print shirt.